Hey you guys, it's your girl Bree. If you didn't know, now you know, and I'm back again with another YouTube video. So if you want to see how I got this look, make sure you keep watching. Let's get into the video. But as you could see from the title, today we are doing a little makeup look. Now if you're seeing this video, that means I pulled it off. I never did nothing like this before. I'm not really a beauty guru. I'm just a creative person. So I wanted to try a look, an idea that I had for Valentine's Day, and I just wanted to see, you know, if I could pull it off. Let's get into the video. Not gonna do too much talking. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get it. Okay, so I did say that this is not a tutorial, but I'm still gonna give you guys a little voiceover, so hey. Okay, so here I'm just starting to, you know, draw out the heart, but I didn't like how that one looked. It looked really awky for some reason, so I ended up like cleaning that off and then restarting. See, look at that, that's much better. So at this point I'm using my ColourPop palette to start to put some eyeshadow on my eyelid, a little bit of pink, and I was blending it out with red because I wanted to, you know, get that real Valentine's Day effect. Okay, so this is a face paint palette that I got off of Amazon. It's called CC Beauty. So I'm just using that to fill in the heart and, you know, give that red color. Okay, so at this point I was trying something different. You know how the girls be covering over their eyebrows and everything. I was trying to do that, but it didn't turn out right because I didn't use a glue stick first. So that ended up being a waste of time, and I just painted over that. So that's what you can see me doing here. So I'm just going back in with that face paint palette. Now I'm making the red part of the heart a little bit more pink. So I'm just cleaning up where it was like, you know, missing some parts, and I'm adding some setting powder to make it a little bit more matte. So you can see me putting setting powder on the eyeshadow, which I don't know why I did that. But then again, all over the heart and just letting that pat in. Okay, so now I'm going in with a Huda Beauty palette just to add some shimmer to my eyelid because I felt like it was looking really dull after all of that. And I'm defining the heart by adding some like light pink lines, you know, around the border of it to just make it look a little bit cuter and kind of stand out a little bit more. So after defining the heart, of course I had to add some more stuff to it because I felt like it was still looking too plain. So I went ahead and added some hearts in using that white paint and kind of mixing it in to make it a little light pink. So it kind of looks like heart clouds in a way, but I just thought that was cute to add a little bit of pop for Valentine's Day. Okay, so here again I wanted to try something different. I was trying to put a rhinestone in the corner of my eye, but that didn't work out. And then I tried to do a whole rhinestone eyebrow look. That didn't work out either. You know, basically just trial and error. So I'm just filling in my eyebrow to make that look a little bit better. And then I used the face paint to kind of conceal under my eyebrow. Okay, so this is self-explanatory. I'm just filling in my left eyebrow so that she looks okay too, because the other one was looking all right, so this one had to look okay too, period. So now it's time for me to put that foundation on my face. So here I'm just going in and using some foundation to clean up the edges around the heart so that it looks seamless. And now I'm just taking the beauty blender to make sure I really pat that in and really get around those edges, so again it looks blended and seamless. Okay, so now I'm just putting concealer under my eye. I'm gonna put some on the bridge of my nose, my Cupid's bow, wow, I can't talk, my Cupid's bow, my chin, and under my eyebrow. So here I ended up using one of the brushes I used to blend my eyeshadow to do this contour on my nose, and as you can see there's still some like pink eyeshadow on there, but I didn't mind because I felt like that made it look cute. It kind of added like a blush effect to it, and here I'm just adding a lot of blush to my cheekbones and my nose to really make it look, you know, cute. And y'all know we couldn't forget the highlight, so I'm just going back in with that contour palette to just highlight my cheekbones and under my eyebrow. Okay, so at first my plan was to leave this left eye bare, but then I decided to add some pink shimmer eyeshadow to really tie the look together. Y'all, the light that's attached to my new freaking stand just died on me in the middle of me filming, so I apologize for the light difference, but we almost there, y'all. So yeah, here I am just blending out that shimmer eyeshadow with a little bit of brown and some pink, just to, you know, blend that in. Okay, so now it's time for me to figure out what lip color I want to do. I ended up mixing about 4 different colors, and all of the names are listed right on the screen. Y'all see me? It's the lashes for me, honey. Yes. Ooh, the highlight. Okay, I can't wink for nothing though, but yeah. Okay, so this is how the look is looking, y'all. I got the lashes on and everything. I'm proud of myself. But yeah, since I did buy rhinestones for the sake of like doing this type of look, I am gonna try to put the rhinestones around the heart. So y'all let me know if you prefer the look with or without the rhinestones, because I feel like I'm gonna like it better with rhinestones, but That's one. Oh wait, that's kind of cute just like that though. But I think I had tried to be professional for y'all earlier and do this with tweezers, but this ain't that. Anyways, let me shut up and get back to doing this. Don't y'all just love a good time-lapse video? But anyways, at this point I could tell that it was already going to look better with the rhinestones on it, but y'all let me know what y'all think. As y'all can see, I used the big rhinestones, and I thought that I had another sheet of this color, but I don't. So I'm about to use the small ones, and we're just gonna have to go with it. So this is the final look, y'all, and I'm really loving it. Like, honestly, I kind of did that. This came out really cute. I'm loving it. I could have untwisted my hair for y'all, but I decided to give y'all a little head wrap moment. You know, shades of pink, giving it to you with the hoops. Hold up, let me show you. Got the shades for you. No, too much? Huh? What? Oh, I thought you said something. It's giving something, y'all. Very much Valentine, you know. Thank you guys for watching, even though this wasn't a tutorial. Tell me how you like it. Did I do good? I think I did good. I think I did really good, but tell me how you like it, and see you in the next video. Bye. I've been seeing online that everyone says that makeup wipes are really bad for you, but I know that some people find this part of the process very what's the word, if you like seeing people take off their makeup and stuff, then this is for you. Seeing people take off their makeup and stuff, then this is for you. Yay, I look like myself again. Now I'm gonna go really wash my face, so bye.